Everyone, welcome to iPhone OS Unlock. In today's video, I will be demonstrating to you guys how to factory unlock any iPhone from any service provider in the world without voiding its manufacturer warranty or Apple Care services. So after unlocking your iPhone, you should be expecting to work with any GSM SIM card. In this case here, I have a SIM card from T-Mobile, and this iPhone here is an iPhone 5S from AT&T. And I will be unlocking this iPhone to work with this T-Mobile SIM card that I have here. So to begin with the unlocking process, we first have to go to the dial pad of the iPhone and get the IMEI number. And to do this, you gotta dial in *#06#. Once you do this, a new screen will come up showing you a 15-digit IMEI number. Based on this number, we can know exactly which phone needs to be unlocked and request an activation through Apple server. So once you have this IMEI number, please make sure to save it somewhere, write it down exactly as it appears on the phone. Don't make any mistakes because this number is very important. And once you have this number, I'm just gonna take the SIM card out, and as you see, I have here an AT&T SIM card, and I'm gonna put inside this phone a T-Mobile SIM card as I promised. So let's get the SIM card into the phone, and let's put this in. And as you can see, once I'm putting in the T-Mobile SIM card, the phone itself is locked and it will say activation required because this phone is still not unlocked. And in this case, it requires you to make activation through Apple server. And if your phone is unlocked, it will let you do the activation completely. So once you get to this screen, I'm basically going to go to this website, which is called iPhoneOSUnlock.com, www.iPhoneOSUnlock.com. So once we get to this website, you will notice here a section at the homepage where you can actually enter the information of your phone. So for the IMEI number, I'm going to go ahead and enter the IMEI number that we just received from the phone. This model is an iPhone 5S, so this is what I'm going to choose. And the network of this iPhone is AT&T. This phone has been purchased from AT&T United States, and it is locked to AT&T United States. And it's very important to select the correct service provider your phone is from. So I'm gonna select this, and just in this case, you'd have to go and complete your order. I've already done this, and I received the results in my email. And this is how it's gonna appear once your phone is unlocked. It's gonna receive this. You're gonna receive this email saying that this IMEI number is now unlocked and it's ready to go and be activated. So once you get this email, you just have to open iTunes, which I have it open over here already, and take the USB cable. Okay, here is the USB cable. I'm just gonna connect this USB cable with the iPhone. In this case, remember we have the T-Mobile SIM card in this phone. Now it doesn't matter what SIM card you have in this phone as long as it's a different SIM card from the original provider. So in this case, what we have to do is just connect the USB cable to the iPhone, okay? And once it's connected to the computer, and we can continue with the activation. So I'm gonna just let it use. Okay, that's it. As you can see, it's connected. It already done the activation through iTunes, and we already got this message. Congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. In this case, once we get this message, it means that your iPhone is unlocked. As you can see, it says T-Mobile on the top here. It's a little bit hard to focus. And that's it. The phone is unlocked, and it's going to work with a T-Mobile SIM card or any other SIM card that you're going to put in the phone. And this unlock is permanent, so you never have to worry about it getting relocked again. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys have any questions, please always feel free to ask. We have a chat support and a phone support that have immediate response. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.